Welcome to your daily forecast for Tuesday, June 24th, 2025. Today, the moon in Pisces sharpens your intuition. Listen to your inner voice. The cosmic energy supports both reflection and practical action, so stay open to inspiration. Think of astrology as your weather report. It helps you prepare, not predict. Today favors kindness, creativity, and thoughtful communication. Perfect for mending fences or starting something new. Let's dive in and see what the stars have in store for you. Ready? Let's make today purposeful and joyful. Pisces. Make today count. Happy birthday, June 24th souls. Born under Cancer, you're nurturing, creative, and the heart of your community. This year, focus on joyful expansion. Try something new, nurture your own happiness, and let your intuition guide you. Opportunities for growth are coming, especially in creative and caring pursuits. Affirm, I welcome joy and growth into my life. Wishing you a year as wonderful as you are. North India is hot and sunny. Stay indoors during peak hours and hydrate. South India sees clouds, humidity, and possible thunder showers. Carry an umbrella. East India gets monsoon rains. Expect delays and keep rain gear handy. West India is humid with scattered showers along the coast, dry and sunny inland. Try a minty lemon cooler. Mint lemon and cool water, refreshing and hydrating. The moon in Pisces boosts empathy and creativity. Trust your feelings. Mercury in Cancer trines Saturn in Pisces, making this a great day for thoughtful, lasting conversations and plans. Mars in Taurus urges steady, patient action. Focus on building, not rushing. Ideal activities, creative projects, organizing, or heart-to-heart talks. Face northeast for important tasks. Avoid new ventures during Rahu Kal 3:004:30 p.m. Use this time for routine work or quiet reflection. Align with the cosmic flow for a smoother, more successful day. Do trust your intuition, engage in creative activities, and have meaningful conversations. Wear soft colors like sea green, lavender, or cream to stay in tune with today's gentle energy. Practice kindness. Small gestures go far. Don't ignore your emotions or rush decisions. Take time to reflect. Avoid overscheduling. Leave space for rest and spontaneity. Don't be overly critical. And avoid starting new projects during Rahu Kal. Work with the day's flow, not against it. Every choice shapes your day. Choose wisely and kindly. If you're feeling stuck, remember, progress is made in small steps, not leaps. Take one gentle action today. Make tea, go for a walk, or reach out to a friend. Trust that your dreams are growing, even if you can't see results yet. Set a simple, achievable goal for the week. Affirm, I am moving forward at the perfect pace for me. I trust the journey. You're exactly where you need to be. Keep going. Shine today and trust in your beautiful unfolding path.